Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix no sound problem in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to select this sound icon and make sure the sound is not muted. After that select this icon, select the sound output. In this output device list, you just need to select the correct output device that you want to hear. In my case, I am using a headset earphone. After selecting the correct one, you can increase or decrease the sound and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to right click on this sound icon and select the sound settings. Scroll down and select the more sound settings option. Now in here, you just need to select the correct output device that you want to hear. This is my headset earphone. Select it and select the properties option and go to enhancements tab. Make sure you select the disable all enhancements and select apply. And now go to advanced tab and select the test option and check if you hear any sound. If you hear the sound, then the speaker is working. Now we just need to close this and select the correct output device in this list and select the set default option. As you can see, there is only one tick over here. Now select the play and OK. Just to close stuff here, select the sound icon, increase or decrease the sound, and you can able to hear the sound guys, and your output device will work now. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.